Hiyo peeps, let's do this. Well, let's kind of do this. Again, got a forward test today, but it is what it is. It's a little bit frustrating, but can't do anything about it, so we continue. I'm gonna just pin this. Awesome. Pin. Let's do this. So I was watching someone earlier. Damn, people can be mean.
Hi. Good morning.
Good morning. What's up? I forgot to add that. Whoopsies. Hi Life, how you doing? Violin Cafe. Hi. Hi Life. I was actually in the process of adding something specifically for you. Are you ready? What do you think? Is that kind of what you had in mind? I specifically got that for you because yeah, that's what you wanted, right? That is needed. Amazing. Okay, I'm in the process of quickly adding it because you are correct. The amount of times that happens is not great. Hey Chris, what's up? Good morning. Maybe a little longer version. I don't know if there is a longer version, unfortunately. That was the one I found. It was the best one. Solly, what's up? How you doing? Violin Cafe, what's up? So, just before the stream, I went to try watch someone who was live already. Damn, some people can be mean. Well, yes and no, Solly. I can't trade, so still. I'm a little bit grumpy about that. I theoretically should have been able to trade today, but yeah, can't force it to happen, right? So it's okay. It's okay. Let me add. Cool. Liquidity, David and okay, let me quickly do this. Let's quickly add the loading. Are we trading today? Well, yes and no. So on that note, let's actually quickly have a look. Let's see, let's mark out, let's forward test. Let's see what we could have gotten. Sorry, I was also a little bit salty yesterday because again, you know, the coulda, shoulda, woulda situation of yesterday was theoretically, if I had taken the trades that I had there, I could have passed my eval yesterday. But it is what it is. Maybe it's luck that's keeping you out of the market. I mean, maybe. Who knows? Who knows? Is it a lucky thing or? Sure. Let's go with it. Let's go with it. But let's now start. Okay, 3 a.m. open. Right here. No. Right there. Okay. There's 3 a.m. open. London high is above. Is it going to now continue again? Asia moved rather nicely. Oh, here was a little. That was my Maya level. That was the nice trade yesterday. 2 nice trades, 2 winning trades. Sugar honey iced tea. Oh well, it is what it is. Can't force it. Don't really have a new daily opening gap. Cool, cool, cool. We do have Asia low down here though. Keep marking out everything. And no, I nearly said that's New York low. That's definitely not New York low. Opening was New York low. Yeah, cool. New York high has already been taken down. There's quite a bit of sell side liquidity, isn't there? or be humble. Oh, my bad. Okay. My bad. I'm sorry, High Life. I will be more humble. Oh, my hair's always normally down. I don't have the headband on for a change. Is it weird? Yeah, Demonte, do you prefer it without the headband? Hey Alpha, what's up? Apparently Auntie is the new thing. Naruto? Hi, how you doing? Trust the numbers. Kalu, what strategy do I use? So I use market auction theory mixed with ICT and SMC confluences. Sorry, that was like a super quick explanation of what it is. Do I think I would have been nervous to take those trades because I'm so close to passing? Probably. And they were quite scary. So if we have a look at yesterday, right? So obviously wasn't able to trade them. So this one I didn't take because here I said only had 2 confluences, blah, blah, blah. This one I probably would have taken. I had my 3 confluences. I did add there, you can see I made notes. I did add that on the higher time frame it wasn't ideal, and I don't like that it was in the middle of a bob level. But it had my 3 confluences, so let's say I took this, I would have mitigated by half. So this would have been a half loss, so I would have been down around $100 there. Then New York came, there was nothing, it just ran away without me. And then there was this setup. This one would have been very close. Because I would have mitigated my risk by half, it would have nearly ticked me out and then gone up for the win. So that would have been absolutely terrifying. This I mitigated risk by half. It was actually down there. There we go. There's the 1 to 2 hour strategy. Yeah. So it is what it is. Literally bob level to bob level. Quite nice. Anyways. And yeah, so would I have taken them? I would like to think so. I've been trying really hard to stick with the rules of if it's an A+ setup, take it. Put the correct amount of contracts and take it. Stop overthinking so much. I know it's like my speciality to overthink everything and anything, but yeah, it's what I'm trying to be better at. Trying is the key word here. Asia has moved quite a bit. Solly, did you trade Asia session? Oh, thanks, Alpha. Appreciate it. I would love to learn those. Oh, sure. Like I said, my strategy is almost stupid simple, but it's working. I mean, I'm profitable. So yeah. Oh, hey, Boom. What's up? How you doing? Are you good? Are you good? Well, let's try see if we can push it to 12k. We're so close. Wow. What up, David? Shout out to David for the donation. Mad love. Wait. David deserves fireworks for that. Whee! Shout out for the donation. Heck yeah, David. He does. Demonte definitely says it's female privileges, which is rude, but it's fine. Because in hindsight, they are bangers, but tip reading is easier. No, 100%. 100%. Sorry, I agree with you. You know, there's no way of knowing, but I think it was nice to see that I must trust my setup, right? Trust my setup. I would have had, well, a half a loss and 2 wins. Hey, 22 HR is 6. What's up? Tony, my strategy, no problem. I'm always happy to share. So I trade, well, I use market auction theory mixed with ICT and SMC confluences basically as confirmation that it's a good trade.
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
Good morning. What's up? It's true female get it. No, that's not fair. Yanni, today looking for short again. I can't trade. I kind of want to cry, but it's fine. OTT, what's up? Oh, Oh, Demonte, well, we were talking about you saying that it's female privilege. And also you mentioned my hair just not being in the headband for once. Appreciate it, thank you. It's good, be strong in psychology and trading long term. Thanks, Rob, I appreciate that. On the index and traded silver made 73 benefits in one night. It's like, damn! Pato-chan, what's up? For real. I have to catfish. Wow, okay. My volume profile too. Ooh! So OTT, you finally a believer? Took you long enough, but yeah, you're finally a believer in the Bob levels.
Why are you even thinking this way?
Yeah, I notice things sometimes. Jordy, what's up? How are you? What's up, Jordy? No, give me 2 seconds. Okay, it's fine. Moving on. If I don't have volume here, we have the service. Did some convincing, and since he's also in the don't listen to his word. I don't think we drop until the next hour. Sorry, did I read that and then it started dropping? Well, did you send that and then it started dropping? Let's not say did I read that and then it started dropping, but here we go. Here's a drop. I'm just curious, honestly, but so far accuracy is kind of insane just from daily volume profile. It's like PB&J. I love peanut butter, but imagine eating peanut butter for years, never knowing that it'd be like with a little jam jelly, sad stuff. There we go. I missed that little short, but it's okay. Samuel, I can't on trade today. I'm a little bit bummed. But that being said, potentially, I'm just waiting for a response. Potentially, I might then not... Let's see what you guys think. I might then not go live for the New York session. I might just hop on Discord because I know there's a few people that want to show me some things and help me learn a few more things. So I might do that this afternoon. What do you guys think? Instead of me just forward testing again for the afternoon session. Or do you think I should just hop back on again and do some more forward testing while I wait for my trade event information? At least I can still forward test, right? Let's be positive. Like, I'm a little bit bummed, but maybe it was the world just saying just take a day, step back, get confirmations, you know, and I'm not here. Yeah. Like I said, still a little bit bummed about it, but it is what it is. Can't change that. Anyways. I love volume just from the previous candle, though. We don't need mixed signals over here. What's up, Eddie? Was the market maker not even trading and got you in the green? Oh, thanks, David. What would I do without you? Honestly, what would I do without you? Okay. Okay, wait. Now that everyone's here, hey, Ricky, Bobby, Junior, Sir, Senior, what? Anyways, do I trade gold? I've dabbled in gold, if you will. I want to get into trading gold, but as of right now, I've just been trading the Nasdaq futures. Like both streams and be ready for position. Thank you. Yeah, guys, don't forget to press that like button. Apparently, the rules are if you don't press the like button, you're gonna have losses. I don't make the rules. Some guy made the rules. Check out S&P Capital. They have a lot of info. The PB&J analogy, guess of every time. That makes sense. I got 121 ounces of silver. Damn. Delta, November. That's pretty damn cool. Okay. Oh, wait. Now that I have a bunch of people here, I'll leave this up for a while. I'm kind of curious, right? So, obviously, I haven't been able to trade because I'm getting moved over to Tradevate, but the question is, should I use Tradevate, NinjaTrader, or TradingView? I asked during the New York session yesterday, and I thought it'd be nice to hear from you guys as well. What are your thoughts? Which one? Yeah, just your thought. Which one is better? Which one works better in your opinion? You know, it would just be nice to hear. I'm just gonna do a poll. Oh, that was not English. Tradevate. NinjaTrader or woof. Okay, like I said, just I'm very genuinely curious about your opinions on this matter. I'm pretty sure NinjaTrader is supposed to be one word. Apologies, but it is what it is now. Okay. Super, super interesting. So I'm gonna leave that up for a little bit because, like I said, I'm genuinely curious about what you guys believe. I mean, not which is better. Is that the right word I'm looking for? I don't know if that's the right word I'm looking for, but yeah, you guys heard him. I still gotta somehow learn how to use the shelves. The bob levels? Is that what you're meaning about the shelves? OTT? Whatever has the lowest fees. Delta November? I mean, that's that's valid. TradingView is easier to stream, so link it with Tradevate. What do you mean it's easier to stream OTT? TradingView, you like it a lot. There we go. NinjaTrader is actually insane. One of the hardest to use in your opinion. What? The exact same as what you have now, but it's laggy. Huh. So fastest execution on Tradevate and Ninja. See, that's what I heard. So this is why I want to get like your opinions on this, because that's very interesting. Headache simulator 9000. Okay. Okay, so link Tradevate to TV. So that's essentially TradingView. Yeah. Demonte highly favors Tradevate. Tradevate, I was like, oh, good grief, but I recommend Ninja to look more professional. You know, bob levels with the shelves from the volume profile stuff. Oh, okay, cool. I'll just show TradingView to take trades on and everything, whilst NinjaTrader is like different windows for everything. Okay, so it's really complex, got it. Charting on TradingView, but I only execute on Tradevate. NYM. See, this is interesting stuff. So why do you do that, NY? Oh, English, lost, amazing. Why? Yes, I think essentially just why. I use TradingView for both analysis and placing trades to a Tradevate account. Yeah, funny enough. Still have Tradevate open to view the copy trader with the TradingView leader account. Exactly like Tradevate. Okay. But what I'm essentially getting from this is that TradingView is most likely going to be the winner. Like I said, I'm going to keep it on for a little bit. Let's see, maybe new people hop in and they have different opinions. I'm all for learning new things, right? All for it, always. There we go. And DeMonte with a strong opinion that TradingView is ass. Taking consideration the slippage, trade execution, cost per trade, and when they do maintenance. So Samuel, which one do you prefer? Sorry, genuinely asking. Yeah, genuinely asking. Good actual grief. Ooh, this basically tapped into that volume imbalance down there. Interesting. Nice rejection off of it. So gonna continue. Sorry, let's have a quick little look-see at the higher time frames. XM 360 is good or not? Hey, Jitu, I don't know. Not sure about that, sorry. Can't help you with regards to that one. What did I want to do now? Oh, I wanted to check the high time frames, but I am then going to just close everything so you guys don't get overwhelmed with the chaos. Tradelicious, what's up? How's it going? How you been? Okay, 5 minute, 15 minute. Wow. Just wow, okay. 1 hour. It's finally going up to this resistance level at 6046. I mean, it's left such a massive imbalance though. Do we think this is going to come back, mitigate some of this imbalance, and then continue to the buy side? Or do we think... I mean, ES is slowly going down. Okay. Okay, let's check out 4 hour. Upsy daisies. Wrong chart. Maybe. So close. This 1-to-1 level. Okay, interesting. Like I said, there's a lot going on there. We're still stuck in this 4 hour range, but if we can break above, finally, that would be amazing. Okay, back to the 1 minute. Let's see. Let's reset chart view. Get everything back up and running with. What are we barking at? Right now that we can see the trend. I'm pretty... Oh, first of all, which am I... Oh, sorry, Max. So I'm currently using Project X, but Project X was shutting down. Is shutting down? I don't know. Like, I think only Top Step is going to be using Project X or something like that. So I'm currently using Project X. So the reason I can't trade is because they're moving my account over from Project X to Tradeovate. And obviously you can link Tradeovate to NinjaTrader or TradingView. So yeah. What other streamers use it? Training ninjas for more fast execution and more contracts. Interesting. Okay. Sense. Damn, Platinum Player, you good? What happened? Oh my goodness. And somebody's asking, how are you doing, my friendship? Are you well? In good health? Yeah, Geordie, I'm good. I'm good. I can't complain. A little bit bummed that I can't trade, but I guess it almost forces me to take a step back, which is not a bad thing. It just, you know, kind of sucks. Because I do really, really enjoy my trading. Wait a minute. What's happening here? And would I have taken this? Probably not. Have a quick look-see. Interesting. Projecting off that volume imbalance. So if that volume imbalance was higher, it would have been better. Oh my gosh. Push, please. It might be hard on your computer to run TradingView and possibly recording software. I run TradingView on MacBook Air and the Tradebait app on my phone. Yeah, that's a lot. On account, you have to execute the trades through Tradebait anyways. TradingView doesn't see the be trading option. Ultimately, you can only trade one account. Vex liquidity. Oh, that's true. Okay, right now, I mean, I am only doing one account currently, so that doesn't matter too much to me. I do eventually want to obviously have more accounts. That's the ideal goal, but not quite there. Oh, Jordy, I'm so sorry. I didn't see it. I saw it now. Hey, Zeus, what's up? Backup account? Hi, how you doing? Looking at the same thing. Quick tip, you can also type 1 hour, 4 hour, 1 day as for tuning. I'm sorry, what? I did not know. You're like a complete shock. I mean, I know that you could also just like pop in here, but oh my gosh. I feel like an idiot. Moving on. Thanks, Mac. I appreciate that. Anyways. What did I miss? Why can't we trade? Oh, Jordy, so because Project X isn't really going to be a thing anymore, Top One said that they can migrate over to Tradebait. So I said, yeah, sure, let's migrate my account over. Like the exact same balance, everything goes across to Tradebait, which is awesome. And they started yesterday with the migration across. But obviously while they're doing that, they paused the account and clearly my Tradebait isn't ready yet because I don't have any login details yet. So I have to just kind of sit and twiddle my thumbs waiting. Yeah, waiting for my login details. But obviously this account is paused while they are doing that. So I can't place a trade in, but it doesn't mean we can't forward test. Like this, for example, would be an A+ setup. I have 1, 2, 3. Let's see if this would have been a win or a loss. Let's see. That's not supposed to be making noise. Sorry, give me a second. Nope, never mind. I have no clue why that made a noise, but moving on. Sounded like there was like someone at my gate. Like that, okay. Moving on. We're fine, we're alive, we're good. Wayne, what's up? How you doing? Levels, all the main boys, others are shelf 5 nodes. There we go. Price longer, shorter nodes get ran through, but let's see. So far, this price action's a little bit slow, but I would be looking for potential short here again. For now, trend is friend. I know the higher time frame trend is indeed still bullish, but we trade what we see, and right now I do think it wants to retest to fill some of those imbalances further down. Let's see. Okay, so it looks pretty much like the trading view. However, you have to pay for trading view basic plan to get live candle plays and split screen feature. Oh yeah, Mac. To be fair, I think I actually still have it. I actually started with TradingView, believe it or not. Then I upgraded to Project X. Damn, Geordie. Okay, so Geordie's in the short. Cool, cool, cool. Oh no, that moved down. Okay, so it's no longer A plan. Okay, let's see. Geordie, how have you been, by the way, bud? Long time no see. Well, kind of long time no see. How's it been? Your version of the 5 seconds today. Oh no, I can't replay. Stops at 6018. Okay, I was about to say, what? I mean, that's far away. That's far away. Okay, makes sense, but look, the 4 hour right now got a massive gap with shorter nodes. So this would have missed tagging me and a nice rejection off of that volume imbalance again. These volume imbalances, once you start to see them and once they start rejecting nicely, it could really be nice entry levels. Let's see, potentially down to VWAP. Let's see where this goes. Yeah. Like I said, I like it. Let's see. Okay, then stick to what's familiar first. You can always change things later. The only option... The other options will always be open. I guess that's valid, Mac, right? I guess that is how you can also look at it. They're not going anywhere. If I want to change over and try out Tradeovate or let's see. The short started right after the inverse value gap above. Woolworths. Oh, I forgot that you guys have Woolworths sales. Like, how do you know about Woolworths? But never mind. I will be quiet. Let's see. I would have had this. It would have missed tagging me in there. Let's see if I followed it down. If it's going to eventually... I mean, this price action is not quite price actioning. Isn't there like hectic news tomorrow? Isn't that what's happening? The previous day Phoebe, the other one scares me. There we go. Okay. So let's see if this goes to get me in or not. And if it respects. I have 1, 2. Been respecting there. 3. It did not take the low. I still think I would have taken this trade. Again, gotta get rid of the emotions, right? And obviously there's no emotions going in right now because I can't freaking do anything. But let's see if this would have been a win or a loss. It took out the low on ES. Zooming out, hasn't quite taken it out just yet. There's still a little bit more sell side liquidity that that I would like for it to take. Make the transition easy and smooth for yourself first, then explore later if you want. Oh, thanks, Mac. Can I trade this on Trade Locker? Hey, Jacob Blurry. What's up? I haven't even heard of Trade Locker. Does anyone know about Trade Locker? How is it? Is it good? Like I said, I haven't even really heard of it. Is it new? Just pull high, but 26 damage around 2. Anyways. Oh, Trade Locker is for CFDs. Okay, well. So no, can't trade MNQ on Trade Locker then, right, OTT? Oh man. Still just running away without me. I like that it has an A+ setup. I don't like the price action right now, but I'm gonna keep it, right? Forward test the different circumstances We have VWAP below. We also have Burb level down below, which could be a nice point of interest for potential TP. Let's see if it respects and where it reacts off of. Okay, a nice little wick there. Not tall, I think I'm like 5'7", 5'8". With my, I'm just... Oh, good grief. Really, I don't know why height is such a big thing. Like, does that make sense? I know some girls' height is like the thing, but it's never really made sense to me. I know some people can also be like insecure about that as well. But again, yeah, I think it's a bit stupid, but it's fine. Just my 2 cents worth when it comes to men and height, because I know it can be a bit of a touchy subject, but whew. Are there any girls in the chat? Because I feel like I might make some girls angry if I say something. I don't really care though. No, exactly. You sound mad tall, OTT. I'm new, so I don't really know too much. I've been subscribed for about a month. I'm really interested in your content. Aw, thanks, Jacob. I appreciate that. Mad love. You should have commented earlier. Appreciate you joining. Welcome, welcome. So you're new to trading. What have you been curious in trading? Let's maybe ask that. Play with 9 EMA and VWAP with relative volume and see if you like that. Interesting, Sam. Okay. 45.7, but if he stands on his money, he's like 6'7". Do you know what that deserves? That deserves this. Okay, yeah, that was deserved there. I'm sorry. That 100% was necessary. To be fair, okay, hear me out. Like I said, I'm not gonna say the thing that would make girls angry because let's not get cancelled. But sorry, the brain's having a mini meltdown. I was thinking about something and I've completely forgotten. Shoot. Hey Nick, what's up? Learning strategies, okay. Oh my word. I'm curious on learning strategies and the basics and fairly new. I've been trading recently, like I'm in the casino. Okay, Jacob, that's a little bit different. So learning strategies and stuff, which strategies have you had a look into? Which strategies are piquing your interest? Is it really important as ever? I feel like we prioritize strength over height here. Ooh, that's interesting, Jordy. That's interesting. I do still think it is a thing. I don't know. I do still think it's a thing. Maybe not as much as overseas, but yeah, I do still think some people prioritize height. Nitro take full port. Go on then, let's do it. Let's oh, that's it. That's what I wanted to say. I am low-key surprised that I haven't been yelled at for not wearing a headband. I was kind of waiting for people to be like, no, you wear headbands. I'm low-key shocked. Cool, means I don't have to always wear a headband. I really thought I would have more people being like, what are you doing? Stop that. Go back to how it was. I mean, damn, the amount of hate I got when I tried to change the background music. So I really thought with regards to the headband that people would be like, stop it. Stop it. Ah, there we go. Speaking of, as I said that, as I said it. Oh, good grief. I was wondering why your head looked so big. Anyways, moving on. First few candles, find value gaps, those fair value gaps as... Okay, wait. First few candles and find value gaps and make those fair value gaps as stop loss. As a stop loss? Whoa. Like the bottom of the fair value gap, Jacob? What? Okay. Tomorrow's a big day for the markets. The threat of government lockdown before 31st is another one. I think trading between Wednesday and Friday might be challenging depending on how markets react. That's great. Watch, I'm able to trade on those freaking days. Anyways. Oh shoot, give me another second. Sorry. Sorry guys, my the reason I keep going on my phone is my one friend is actually in hospital quickly. They got food poisoning, so they're on a drip and struggling a little bit, so that's why I keep answering. So if they call again, it's because I might have to leave and help them. That was just them calling saying they're not doing well, but they're still on the drip and I need to help them walk. So if I just disappear, it's for that reason. I apologize about that in advance. Sorry. No, you don't have to have a headband. Perfectly normal. Thank you. Thought I said prioritize money. Your trading breaks so blur. Hey, Rip, what's up? Oh my goodness. What's up? Anyways, thanks, Joda. Thank. Oh my gosh, I can't believe you would have missed me again. Who are you barking at? A friend in need is a friend indeed. Honestly, Max, so... I don't know about your post, so I closed it. Oh, that's okay, Joda, don't stress. It happened to me, not fun. Yeah. It's okay, and I'm still here, not able to trade, so that's fun. I don't like this push up in volume, but again, like I said, this would still have my 3 confluences, so I'm leaving it up. We're forward testing today. That's what we do. Still hasn't tapped into the VWAP. I was expecting more of a rejection off of VWAP potentially. Still bummed that it did not come and get me, but it's fine. Oh, thanks, Jacob. Shout out to Jacob for the donation. Oh, thank you. Much appreciated. Jacob, by the way, if you have, I don't know if you have Discord. Do you have Discord? If you do indeed have Discord, you are more than welcome to hop on. I have asked, because I doubt I'll be able to trade this afternoon, which kind of sucks. I know, used to be Morn, but he's changed his handle to Trader Neptune. He's been dying to teach me a little bit more about MMXM strategy and SMTs. So I might hop on the voice chat on Discord this afternoon instead of streaming and go through some different things. You know, the more you know, the better. Maybe it can be confusing, maybe it helps, maybe it can be another thing that I look out for with regards to it. Let's see. Hey, Jacob, amazing. There we go. Pop some more messages if you have any questions. Literally, the whole point of the Discord is if you have questions, like I said, there's a lot of people that have been trading for years, right? Years. If you have questions, if you're not so sure about some things, always feel free to ask people. Progress is looking for a place to stop. Remember that on your journey. No, 100% Rip. I know. Give me a second. Back. And that's done. Nice. And I got bronchitis and nobody got time for that. I'm so sorry. That's okay, Gaurav. You do you. Hey, Mud Crab. Well, actually, this is Kara. Hey, guys, Mike says happy tomorrow Eve. Kara here. How's everyone going? Hope you're well. My research is I'm slowly learning some chart wiggles. Oh, heck yeah! Kara's gonna start being one of us. One of us. One of us. One of us. I'm so keen. I'm so down for it. No, probably thinks you're crazy for talking to a big slab of screen that doesn't move or talk back. Matt, you know what? When you're right, you're right. I don't blame him either. My dog's just like, this woman just sits here, looks at the screen half the time, doesn't know what's going on. Anyways. Am I still? Yeah, I'm still... I mean, this doesn't look great, but still keen on shorts. Still keen on shorts, right? Train as friend until it's not. Again, this doesn't look promising, but I'm keeping it up. Like I said, unfortunately, I can't even place a trade today, so I'm still forward testing. Let me double check. Let's actually quickly open. Make sure I don't have an email with some. Nope. Sad. So sad. The sad situation. Still waiting for login details with TradeVate so I can start trading again. I can't trade this week. I'm gonna be sad. Time zones are opposite. So unfortunate. Oh, sorry, Jacob. But that's okay. You can always still ask, right? Things happen. I quite like you. I haven't seen the charts in Discord if you have of him. Oh, thanks, Jose. One of us. I mean, to be fair, I kind of have no idea what all this means, but it's fun in here. My voice. Oh, thank you. I appreciate that. Apart from my dog giving me a heart attack all the time. This is Mudcrab. I absolutely love that. Did you hear that, Cara? You are now Mrs. Mudcrab. I'm so keen for that. I love it. Oh, my word. The fair value gap. The fair value gap, this one. Are you talking about this fair value gap? 22 HRS6 was now hello God 6. Yeah, honestly, he scares me. So there would have been entry. Would I have been so keen on this trade after all that's happened? I don't know. Let's see if this works out or not. Like I said, you gotta learn to trust your A+ setups and keep them. There's been often where I second guess and overthink things. So I'm gonna keep this up. Let's see if it does respect the A+ or not. Again, this price action isn't quite price actioning like we want to see price action, but it's fine. Come on, that was good. Say that fast like 50 times. Stu, I'm trading from South Africa. What's up? How you doing? Yeah, like, should have considered that maybe, just maybe. Well, let's see. Like I said, I had my A+ confluences for a short if it reached here. So I would now officially be in this trade. Officially. Let's see where my scroller is here.
Why are you doing this? Why are you even thinking this way?
You'd want to start to move to that low now. Exactly. Right? With some oomph, right? 350, especially because we're 10 minutes to 4, you would want to see some decent movement happening. I feel like I'm slouching like a potato today. Give me a second. Mellow Town this year, we're not doing magic tricks anymore. Yeah, where are you from, Stu? It's nice to meet you, man, and Sally. Oh, I see you in here. Is NAS 100 the same thing you're trading here? Basically, Jacob. So yes and no. The only difference is I'm on the micros. So again, just preserving capital. So instead of NQ, which is NAS 100, the Nasdaq futures, I'm doing MNQ. So it just helps preserve capital, especially while you're figuring things out and learning. Oopsie daisies. Yep, this is headed for a big old stop loss. Let's see, when you get confirmations on it's gonna go up, maybe listen to it. But right, the point of forward testing is to test it out in all market conditions. So just leave it alone. Like I said, I wouldn't have moved anything yet. It hasn't hit, well, sticking to the rules, right? Rules say only when it reaches 1-to-1 R, I would mitigate risk by half. Didn't reach there yet, so hands off, leaving it alone. David's no longer my dad if you guys are looking to adopt a baby mud crab. That is so cute. Anyways, cooking, not gonna lie, I kind of lack in the kitchen. Ah, Cara, me too. Like I said, so don't know if you can see, you can kind of see this here. I attempted, there we go. Yeah, you can see that. I attempted to cook. I burnt myself. So, lesson learned. Just stay out of the kitchen. Clearly not for me. Like I said, I've accidentally stabbed myself in the leg with a fork. I've accidentally stabbed myself in the stomach with a knife. The kitchen's just a bad place for me. So if anyone ever says go to the kitchen, I'll be like, no. I would much rather sit behind the charts. It's like because I wanted to follow your life trades for better success rate. Oh, interesting. Nice, Stu. Okay. I apologize if I haven't seen anyone's or responded to anyone's messages. My bad. No, instantly. Wow. Wow. That's so rough. What about me? Do you guys want to adopt me? Do you think it would be wise to follow your trade while trading in NAS 100 or have it all wrong? So they are a little bit different, right? Maybe, guys, correct me if I'm wrong. The MNQ and NQ are slightly different, right? But would they still work similar? Like if I took this trade, would it, and it worked out, would it still work out with the NAS 100? Please correct me if I'm wrong, guys. Me, I can cook. Thank you. He said, David, he needs a shower. Now that we have Crap, tell us something embarrassing about Michael. Do it. Yeah, if I were you, I'd be traumatized of stepping in the kitchen. Yeah, no, it's bad. It's really, really bad. So me and cooking just don't work well. I just rather avoid it. So much easier. Now under CFD, same as futures are slightly different, but CFD can go through broker manipulation. Futures is centralized, much cleaner, less spreads, less get F by your brokers. Oh, thanks OTT. Jacob, did you see that? What OTT said there? Yep. I'll adopt you in a split second. Heck yeah. Well, I told you guys, go get Discord and pop me a message, and then Shreya. Here we go. I feel like I butchered that. I butchered that pronunciation completely, but it's fine. Sounds about right to me. The trades don't always pan out the same though. Okay, there we go. Remembers the quarterly stats I showed you in Discord? Yes, Rip. What about it? Hey, Louis. What's up? I use market auction theory mixed with ICT and SMC confluences. Damn, people aren't loving me today. Come on, people. I hate when it's at a weird number. I'm talking about the subscriber count. It bugs me so much, but it's okay. It's okay. Guys, don't forget to like the stream. The more likes, the better. Because then we can grow this amazing community. On Discord, haven't added it yet. I want to add an accountability section on Discord as well. So, you know, discipline is the key to everything. And some days we just let discipline go through the roof. And some days we just need help to get through it, or we need to just vent. So basically a bit of an accountability section is on it. Chats aren't loading on here, aren't they? Oh. Oh, sorry, Jacob. They're in the vertical stream. Apologies. When does the owl put the high and the low? I think I lost you with this question. Okay, wait. When does the hour put the high and the low of the hour? Yeah, no, you... What? That's what it made my brain do. I was like, what? What did I just read? Oh my gosh. I love it. Well, he has a lot of... I'm just gonna sip my coffee. Moving on. My crab has seen it at checks by now. How would that look like or work? The accountability section. Well, Mac, that's what I haven't quite figured it out yet, right? I know on Discord a lot of people love to post their winning trades, right? Because look at me, I'm doing so well, which awesome, amazing. I love to see everyone doing well, but essentially the accountability is, let's say you had a loss and then you just revenge traded and went tilt, and it basically allows you to just maybe put the losing trade and what happened. Essentially, it's a place for you to be open and honest, and if you are being open and honest, it might stop you if you have a whole community saying, okay, what can we do to help you change it? You know, keeping you accountable for if you have lost some of your discipline. Does that make sense? That's the idea behind it. So I think it could be really nice. I just don't know if people actually want that. I like it because sometimes I'm not like with OTT yelling at me for not putting the correct amount of contracts in, right? That type of thing where I went, okay, I had a winning trade, but I overthought the whole time, overthought this and this, and didn't put the correct contracts in. Then I could almost just get my brain in the right space where they say, okay, why did you overthink? Maybe if you overthink, don't place the trade, or start trusting your, you know, it holds you accountable for doing stupid things. Stupid is a strong word, but that makes sense, right? I might be cooked on longing DAX. Oh, Funhouse, damn, okay. He's kind of avoiding trading when not working. When we speak to them, it's basically always telling them how to. It's embarrassing for me. Oh, that's amazing. My head just lagged. Why did it sound like you were reading a riddle you didn't understand? Because I was OTT, damn. Anyways. Where are you guys chatting at so I can see from my phone? Oh, Jacob. Oh, no, then you should easily be able to find, or the other one should be a little bit easier for you. So you are currently on the horizontal, right? Go out onto my channel and you'll see that there's two lives. There's horizontal and there's the vertical. The vertical you'll probably be able to see a little bit more. I've been trying. 26k liquidity. Hey Mike M, what's up? Oh, thanks, Mac. Yeah, but so that's the idea behind the accountability thing, right? I'm brushing over the weird chat in between. I'm gonna focus on what you're asking me right now, Mac. But anyways, yeah, really my kid of the people fave. Powerpuff Trader. Oh, Celestial, I love it. How you doing, Celestial? How's the trading been? Do not feed the David. I think Part needs the shower now. He will never be banned. He said Dave. He said Maya will always have his back. Yep. Yeah, no, 100%. I got Mudcrab's back. He got special permission. Oh yeah, no, David, Mudcrab is untouchable. I love it. There's a few people here that are untouchable, you know. The faves. No, that sounds bad. It makes it sound like I don't have favorites. Basically, everyone that's here to be super supportive and actually wants to Cool. 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 What were we saying about this? What were we saying about this? This is so accurate most of the time. Anyways, let's try that again. Alpha, what's up? We just got another order block. That's another confirmation for you, Mike, for your liquidity at... Wait. At 26k. Okay, so you believe this is going back up to 26. I do not OTT. I definitely don't have favorites. Oh, I thought you blocked her. Wow, okay, I've been kind of funny. Well, kind of. There we go. The truth comes out. So I would still be in this trade. I would still be in this thing. I like that it's rejecting off of, well, my confluences. I'm not liking that it's not rejecting with feed, as Rip would say, right? Yeah, not rejecting with some Vuma. Is Vuma the... Yeah, we'll go with Vuma. Especially bang on my side. Busy. At least it pays well. Just pop in to check. Oh, thanks, Celestial. You're amazing. I'm glad it's going so well, though. Okay, now I would mitigate risk by half, which would be just above these wicks. Okay, so here would have mitigated risk by half. Trust your setup, people. Damn. Watch I say that and now it just instantly goes and would tap into stop loss. I'm just gonna mitigate this by half so we can see, like I said, it would be around there. Yeah, gives an idea. Some partials at the 1 level would be taken out. I would probably leave a runner to the bob level. Ooh, maybe just below right here. Might be pushing it. Oh, there we go. Basically on VWAP, I would leave a runner to VWAP. Probably only 1 runner because the price action's not amazing right now, but I would leave a runner to VWAP. Why? The 2 days I can't trade and I'm getting such amazing sales. So annoying. Oh, listen here. Listen here. You don't abuse Kara. I will fight you. I don't know how, but I'll fight you. Hey Nadia, what's up? How you doing? Goodness Crow. You should join us for the 24-hour stream. Yep. And even I, the biggest trader noob of all, is still... Of course you are. We are here for an amazing community vibes. I did not draw that well. Okay, but either way, this still would be in there, say around there, and down to here. Okay, but gives the correct idea of how it would be. Oh no. Oh dear. Okay, well, like I said, would have mitigated risk by half, so this... Let's see, might be a half loss. Just tapped into that fair value gap on ES. See if it rejects back down. Jordy, are you still in this trade, by the way? I'm good, currently in a trade, not gonna be as active in chats. I'm listening and oh, that's okay, Nadia. What trade you in, long or short? Oh no. Okay, we can teach you how to do this stuff. It's super easy. Yes, I've been saying that she must learn. I love it. I love it. Let's give my crab a heart attack. When it's, I will jump on when I can. I'll be working for most of it. Probably, I don't know. I haven't decided when it's gonna be yet. I theoretically was supposed to do it last Friday, but then I just, mentally I couldn't do it. I was like, nope, not mentally. Oh no! Okay, so this would have been a half loss. Shoot. Oh well. Okay, so it would have been a little bit of a loss. Noted. It's created a volume imbalance there. Let's see if this is now going up and away. Oh nice, there we go though. I've been banned from any financial. That's so rude. Because you're committed, not obsessed. That's the reason. Yeah, there we go. Well, we think. All good questions. Let me just quickly check up on my friend, make sure they don't need me. Let's see. Oh no, Michael's card. See if he gets a notification. That's hilarious. Y'all guys, don't forget to press that like button. It is so hot here. Like, I'm so uncomfortable. Damn, this weather is not okay. I know it's probably hotter some other places, but I'm not a happy chappy right now. Like, I'm this close to actually just tying my hair up, but then I look like a complete mess, so I don't think I'll do that. Y'all have never seen me with my hair tied up, but today is not the day you're gonna. So this would have been a half loss. It did reject off of my levels, just not with enough oomph. Watch it now do it. If that is the case, then in these market conditions, when the price action is a little bit more yucky, but that being said, we now have a very big volume imbalance there. This could potentially start going back up. Let's watch and see what this does now. If it rejects all the way back down, I'll definitely make note of it. It's a good thing with forward testing. It's also frustrating to see amazing trades work out, but again, it is what it is. Entry 587, exit, box stop loss 5103, TP 5050, currently at 5080. Ooh, okay, okay, okay. Okay, not bad, not bad. Keep me posted, Nydia. What made you want to trade and why did you not give up in the beginning? Ooh, Jacob, nice. Okay, well, Jacob, if you want like a more in-depth thing, I did post a video yesterday where you can maybe go have a watch, check it out. But essentially I started trading for a bit of a basic reason, if you will. It's for the reason a lot of people start, which is freedom, both financial and just free from working conditions. I'll leave it at that. But freedom essentially. And why didn't I give up? Because you gotta treat this like a full-time job, and you really gotta be like committed to it, and it's not easy. So as long as you go in being very well aware that this is not going to be an easy journey, then you're kind of good to, I don't want to say good to go, because there has been some days where I'm just like, what am I doing? But then you go back, you remind yourself, you have to remind yourself about your why. I think with everything in life, sorry, this is now becoming a little bit philosophical, but with everything in life, you have to remind yourself about your why. Why did you start doing this? Why were you so dedicated to it? Your why at the end of the day is what drives you. So, yeah. I can't trust you, DJs. When new look? Rip, are you asking when I'm gonna have a new look? Or are you asking about when the trade event's gonna be live? I thought it would be live already today, but anyways, here we are. Is that what you were asking, right? I agree. We love Kara. We love Mudcrab too, but Kara is awesome. It is. It's not easy. I almost got stopped. No, 22. Oh my gosh. I've been a joke since last year. First started with people hitting my. There we go. Like always, talking charts and trading. There we go. So wouldn't it be nice to be able to talk back? Give him a clap back if he says something. Clap back with something, and he'll be like, "Oh my gosh, did she just talk trading to me?" Just this conversation. Oh, dead. Okay. Frick. I I love it. I love it. Anyways.
Nice.
True, every time I enter a trade, I'm like, why? No, exactly. Exactly. So your why is a really big reason. With your trading system, have you figured out seeing good and bad market cycles? That's when to be risk or on the offense. Yes and no. Does that make sense? So there's been times where maybe I'll be talking and I see in the corner of my eye and I'm like, this is a good trade, and I'll instantly see it. I don't even know what it is, but then I see that it's a goodie and I like jump at it. And then there's other times where I think, oh, this is gonna not be a good trade at all, and it's like a perfect freaking trade. So I say yes and no because there's some circumstances where I definitely do see it, like instantly. I'm like, that's gonna be a great trade. And then there's other circumstances, this is where the overthinking comes into play, where I look at it, I'm like, is this actually going to be a good trade? Is this maybe a mistake? And then I start overthinking, and then I do dumb things, and this is where the accountability will be good, because that's when I like risk maybe half R or whatever the case may be. Or, sorry, not half R, I put like half the contracts in, but yeah, which is not ideal. You know, keep the same risk always. Keep it consistent, right? Consistency is key. That's the thing. Consistency is key when it comes to trading. Teach me some trading words. Well, we got... Oh, damn, you put me on the spot now, and I'm like, oh. Break even. Oh, what about like fair value gap? Order block is pretty good. Inverse fair value gap. Sorry, I'm just saying the things I normally say quite often. Volume imbalance. I don't know why I'm saying it like that. Turtle soup, there we go, say turtle soup. I need to be able to freak him out as if I know what I'm talking about. Oh, I love it. Yeah, do turtle soup, please. There's also unicorn, right? You could wake him up from the naps and you just dump 400 points. Go grab some ticks right now. Please do that. Please do that. Hey, Michelle, what's up? How's it going? Really couch Michael pulls up the stream on the telly. I just watch, chat, and laugh, basically. And taste test. Oh, I love it. That's amazing. Or play the order-filled sound as an alarm. Oh, OTT, that is mean. That is not okay. That is not okay. Imagine you are like in the middle of a dream and you hear this order filled. I would be bolt upright and be like, oh my gosh, what just happened? That is nasty. That's the meanest thing I've ever read. That is not okay. Wow. Stop filled. Oh my gosh. Please do that, Cara. I think that's the funniest thing ever. I could be better if I'm self-taught. I had a mentor at some sort. Jacob, so my friend taught me the basics, like fair value gaps, order blocks, and confluences. So I used to have like super stupid simple strategies. I don't even know if you can call it a strategy, but it was like a 1-to-1 R, which isn't ideal because if you have a 1-to-1 R strategy, you really have to have a high win rate to actually be profitable. Not like mine's amazing right now, but it's better. 1-to-2 R, definitely better than 1-to-1 R. Like I said, it would be stupid simple. But that's how I start, with the fair value gaps and the order blocks. And yeah, the rest I've basically learned from this amazing community. A bearish order block, the bullish one got mitigated. He might be his pets. I would kill for a video of him reacting to that. Yeah, I think this now has to be a thing. I absolutely love this. Make sure you will relax when you play it and not at his charts. Oh my gosh. Do we have an order-filled sound for Kara? I'm sure we do. I'm so sure that we do. Like there might be, okay, obviously on like the previous streams. No, I don't know if you can hear the order-filled sound. We're gonna have to find it. We're gonna have to find an order-filled sound for Kara, 100%. We'll see if it's better. Collect more data on it. Captain to the 26th. Auction market theory at its finest. I mean, this is just going sideways. It's it. Jordy, you're still in this, right? This is the ridiculous. So now we can't tell him. When you firstly started, did you ask a lot of questions and a lot of dumb questions? Because that would be... Oh, no, 100%, Jacob. No, you have to ask the questions. There's no such thing as a dumb question while learning, right? In my opinion, actually in everyone's opinion, there is no such thing as a dumb question while you're learning. You might feel dumb, but everyone started there. Like I said, this time last year, I literally didn't even know... I didn't even know that I'm gonna like say squiggly lines, but I didn't know they were called candles. I didn't know you could sell and buy and earn money even if the charts were going down. So, you know, you ask whatever dumb questions you want to ask, because there's no such thing as a dumb question. You asking the questions might actually answer someone else's, right? A lot of people are too scared to ask. Again, I'm doing air quotes when I say dumb questions because I don't really believe that there are dumb questions. Unless, I don't know. No, I don't actually believe that there's such thing as a dumb question. Looking up my icon link. Okay, got it. I'll look it up. I feel so powerful. Here we go. This is sleep fest. Might exit early. Yeah. I feel like an accomplice to accomplice. I don't like how often I have to use this little thing, but anyways. Then he'll probably just say, wow. Order filled noise, trader bait. There we go. Only dumb question is, can you trade for me? There we go, Nadia, there we go. Or, do you give signals? Like, don't be lazy. Anyways. I'm gonna make me a mastermind. This is villain arc. Thank you, I'm trying. Glad you're having fun. Oh, cheers, Jacob. Enjoy, but yeah, thank you. Yeah, like I said, feel free to ask questions, especially on Discord. Everyone's there to really help. It's running. There we go. Yeah, guys, don't forget to press that like button. Let's grow, like I said, let's grow this amazing supportive community. I will add the... Oh my gosh, my brain's just not functioning today. Maybe it is a good thing I can't trade today. Gosh. Brain's malfunctioning. Nothing's working. It's hot as hell today. Like, seriously, this is not okay. Dying on the inside. But we continue. We are here for the charts and the learning, and we continue no matter what. Sorry, the numbers don't lie. Oh, there we go. Thanks, Jordy. Yeah, guys, if you guys want control to the memes, remember, you guys can get the membership. Yeah. I know that's very lame, but membership is too funny. And then you guys can have access to this when I have my moments. I haven't updated the thing yet, so we can't have access to it just yet. I'll update it as soon as I'm done picking up my friend from the hospital. Let's maybe give them a call and find out if they're still alive. So hit the replay thing. That's where Price is headed! I love that you give signals. Yes, points to the door. That's where Price is headed. Didn't get enough. Oh, I'm so ashamed of myself for not thinking of that. Oh gosh, you guys are actually too much. Is this price action yucky because there's some big news happening later? What's this? Is it big? Consumer confidence. Ooh, that sounds big. And then I know, isn't tomorrow the crazy stuff that's happening. I feel like tomorrow's the crazy stuff that's happening. Is this why this is so meh right now? I feel like it's meh right now. What was market theory on this? Mike, you asking me, I'm assuming, right? The use the train and noise appears when we take a trade. Good grief. My friend funny though, look big and they say size. That didn't matter. Wow. Rude. Give me 2 seconds. My dog's bugging me. I'll be right back. Okay. Okay. I know this would have taken me out there. Give me a second. When this happened, when this volume imbalance formed, I was actually looking at this. Sorry, can you see the focus is a little bit all over the place today? Cool. So they definitely wouldn't have tagged in. If I moved it up and followed, would have respected that volume imbalance. Okay. Oh, I'm doing this. So definitely would have taken there. May have potentially missed full TP by a tick. Literally a tick. And then gone down, taken out at break even. Sure, that's rude, but good to know. There's a lot of volume imbalances going on today. Interest rates and power speech on the whole thing after. Thank you, Mac. There we go. I've missed a lot. My bad. Mac Travis, there's screen with a bunch of green red things flashing up in it. Oh, good grief. No, Hog, I'm not able to trade today, unfortunately. Slash fortunately, this would have been a $100 loss, but it is what it is. Like I said, that one looked good, but this is actually just going sideways. This price action is not ideal. I don't know if anyone is actually trading this. I'll call my friend now. Can you buy me a house? Ben, I need to buy myself a house first. I have to be able to afford things first. Can't afford things yet, so. Moving on. There is. He shall be called Daddy Michael. Jordy, no. Good grief. Cody Hash, we all know you love being uses. We're retesting the internal bullish order block. Okay, volume there was indicator, show good liquidity. Anyways, so he should be freaked out by the order filled noise. This is gonna be so funny. Wow, you guys are awful. You guys are so mean. I'm not even part of this conversation. I can see it's bad. You said you wanted freedom and now you buy a house. No. I'm definitely not gonna buy a house. Don't be cray cray. Can't afford that. Not even close to affording that. Can't even pretend like I can afford that. Our house is expensive in South Africa. Here in Australia, it's $1 million for a dive. I must say, compared to the rest of the world, no, South Africa is probably one of the cheaper places to get a house. I think, right? Jordy, OTT, correct me if I'm wrong. But yeah, I'm pretty sure South Africa is actually a whole lot cheaper than a lot of places to buy a house. No one tell me what did I do? What did I miss? I feel like I missed a lot. Soybean oil futures could do a bit of pullback now, or do you just trade the NQ? Hey, Angry Bob! Oh, we have Bob and we got Angry Bob. Why are you angry, Bob? What's up? So I'm just trading MNQ for now. But I mean, this price action is a little bit gross today, but it is what it is. Hold on, the way up to the full liquidity. Hey, Mike, and whoop whoop, that's amazing! Decent card. What house for like 500 Rand? Open and created. Even don't tell yourself to face the world as your home, be free. Ah, Rip, I do kind of like that. That being said, no, that being said, you know, you can always get people to look after like my horse and my dog when I go places, but you are correct. Don't be tied down. Freedom is key. A decent $300 should get you a decent place depending where in SA though. True. South African chateau. That's super expensive. Definitely wouldn't recommend. Definitely not lying to prevent prices from free. Do it, Nadia. Do it. I love it. And then 1/2 your trading profit. Jordy, you boys would love SA. No, I agree. I think the Australians would come here and be like, whoa, this is awesome. But hey, what do I know? I got the stove. I have a phone. You can't hear my on the telly, but I love that, Cara. Do it. Okay, well, you know, we're still gonna watch this price action. This price action really sucks. Cooking dinner. Where are you in the world to be cooking dinner? OTT, they're in Australia. I really want to. I've been dying to go visit Australia. It sounds amazing. And all the animals, except like, then people made me sad when they mentioned kangaroo farms, but I guess it makes sense, but still makes me sad. Do you guys know where are the cockatiels? No, cockatoo, no. The birds, the white birds. I think they're really pretty, but aren't they like a problem in Australia? Aren't they like pests in Australia, which makes me kind of sad. Another bullish order block going to 26k. So Mike. Okay, we have a Mike level. Done. You still thinking this is gonna go up to 26k? I mean, this price action just freaking sucks right now, but it's okay. For goodness sake. Gold 10 contracts. Australia is crazy price. 90k for farm. I'm on. Like 2 minutes. What? Cockatoo, thank you! They have ankle bones. Oh my gosh, the time is coming. Just remember, it takes so much courage to be free. Being free means a lot of things. Free of concepts, free of location, free of trauma. Oh, I don't know if I can be free from that one, but I appreciate it. OTT, apparently. Someone mentioned it and then I got sad. Yeah, anyways. Apparently it's a thing. Current set of traders. It's toying with my break even. No! Oh my gosh, Nadia, no. At least it's break even, right? So you're not gonna be in a loss. So that's okay. Better than nothing. Tattoos are insane. I have a farm and they fly in by the hundreds and eat all the nuts. Hogs, that's nuts. Anyways.
Nice.
Anyways. Moving on. Wait, should I be playing this now? No. There's a trend line happening, Mike. Is there? Oh, interesting. Is there? Like this? Is this what you're seeing, Mike? Or are you seeing something further up? I mean... yeah, something like that. Let's see if it breaks below. I'll send you photos of the cockatoo that you'll love. Oh, please, please. Like I said, I really like cockatoos. Actually, well, that being said, I'm actually not a fan of birds in general, but it's fine. Apparently, root steak is kind of... but we feed root to our dogs and... ah. This is not me. Snake pie? Did I just... what? What did I just read? The next log. Unsettling. No, Geordie, I'm also here kind of going, what the heck? Was it Australia or New Zealand that was bested by the emus? Who was bested by the emus? It was Australia, wasn't it? I think that's still the funniest thing ever. Went to war with emus and lost. Magpies insane. I've had croc meat though. Yeah, so where I am, there's a croc world just down the road. I haven't gone yet because I can't bring myself to do it because I'll feel too bad. We also broke the downward trend, so yeah, oh, wait, were you looking at like this? No, but that's not right. Let's see, let's see. What did I just read? Why? What? Thanks, Mudcrab. I mean, Kara, not Mudcrab. I appreciate that, but this is a wild conversation we are now having. But I guess, you know, I love it. I love it. When the price action is bleh, we can always rely on these conversations to keep us going. Hey, Bender. Am I waiting for the short position? Low-key, yes. I'm just waiting for it to stop going sideways right now, in all honesty. Waiting for some confirmation, some movement, some will to live would be great. You lost two birds. Oh, they did. I know. I think that's the funniest story ever. 20, what's up? Hi, I'm intrigued. Oh, good grief. Hey, Skyline, Horizons. Is it Fun Life or Van Life? I'm assuming Van Life. I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. How's it going? Price action is squeezing. It's, yeah, no, honestly, Mike, this is not okay. Well, it's officially broken below, so are we gonna start seeing a short here? Potentially, which brings me to this question of... I mean, it did come back to take that out, so I probably wouldn't have done that. But if we used this full range, let's see what this does. Let's see if this goes down here. Like I said, that would have been a half loss. Fine, is what it is. Skyline, cool, you love trade. Awesome. What do you trade, Skyline? Yes, you... Oh Let's watch a new video. I'm about to. No, don't go blow so many accounts, Jacob. Don't do that. Just stick here. We've got this. We're gonna be amazing. Jacob, I'm motivated. Really? Oh, I appreciate it. But yes, remember, if you have questions, even if you feel they are dumb, there's no such thing as dumb questions. Please ask them. Yeah, I'll have a look. KFC any day. OTT, do you know what's funny? KFC is what gave my friend food poisoning. Speaking of, give me 2 seconds. Let me quickly call them, make sure they're not dead. Okay, wait, I have to get airtime first before I can do that stupid thing. But anyways, Mike M, adjust your trend line to where? The bottom. Are you thinking like so? There we go. Like I said, let's just make sure my friend is alive. That would be good, right? You guys can't see what's happening. Okay. Okay. I'll then make sure my friend's alive soon. Ah, I like that. Is that the trend line you were thinking of? Which was funny, thank you. Oh my gosh. Okay, that's not. I've seen that. No. Porcupine. Are you what? Hogs? No, they can't eat porcupine. Porcupine's not easy to eat. Maybe right. We sit down for dinner. Ooh, dude. Am I team my crap ripping everyone? Hey, Rip, how you doing? That's good news. Like dark brown meat stream like chicken really gave me taste though. Hogs. I can imagine emu tastes similar to ostrich, right? I've had ostrich before. Again, I feel bad talking about this. Poor animals. Anyways. Sorry, I always testing things. Always testing. Here's the 4. They should have gone to check out the low. So this is very low probability day happening. Anyways, next one, spot, checkers, woolies. Geordie? Oh, sorry, you're asking OTT. Never mind. You quick and hop in right away. Is your friend the secret ingredient in nuts? Oh, good grief. Make sure he hears it. Check his woolies for the ice cream. Oh! I'm sorry, the Woolies ice cream is amazing. Miss Cramp here. Look up to your funny birds, but dangerous. They're big, take your finger right off. Yeah, no, see, that's why birds are actually terrifying. Like I said, I will. Okay, here's my friend. Give me a second. Thank you. Sorry. There we go. Okay. I'm gonna have to go, but I'm gonna have to literally run in this 30-degree heat to go to the hospital because they drove themselves there and they don't want their car to be stuck there. So I'm gonna literally run to the hospital to pick them up because they can't drive. So that's fun. Oh, thank you. No, they'll be fine. Thank you. I'm so sorry. But it's okay. Yeah, I'll run. I apologize that this is ending a bit early, but I mean, the price action's pretty yucky anyways. I'll then, by the looks of things, I might be able to hop on for New York to begin with, and then potentially might end New York early and hop on to Discord voice chat and learn a little bit with you guys. If you guys are, if you guys are keen for that. Let's see. Right, the day is still new and fresh. Oh my goodness, I just like accidentally bonked my dog in the nose. Better ones. It will get better once you leave. That is so mean. I'll stay longer tomorrow. Okay, and hopefully I can trade tomorrow, but I will stay longer tomorrow. Okay. Like I said, I love you guys madly. Thank you. Sorry that I have to end it a bit earlier. Yes, very sad. I'm sorry. I love you guys madly. See you then, a New York session, and then maybe even Discord afterwards, yeah? Yeah, love you.